Here I have most of the movement back together. What I'm looking for now is endshake. Endshake is where you take a gear and you wobble it inside the plate. If you don't have endshake on all these gears, your movement will not run. So, especially if you put bushings in, even the barrels will have some endshake. But again, if you don't have any endshake between your gears, your movement will not run. Now, if you got too much endshake to where the gears fall out, you have a problem. You have a bent movement or something. I do want to point out that this spring right here is in perfect working order. It pushes toward the click. This spring over here, it's broken, so I'm going to have to replace it. So I'm not going to be able to finish this movement anytime soon, unless I have another movement with this type of click on it, or unless I could take some spring and make me a click. That's why you have a broken spring around. I might be able to make a click out of this broken spring. But doing a function test, everything seems to be working just fine. So we're getting there. Time to put some oil on all the pivots and put what I can together with the rack and snail and all that, and then decide what I need to do for this click. I might be able to manufacture a click out of this spring. You can order them through Time Savers or wherever you want to order, but I don't have an order in, a big order in through Time Savers, and the problem with Time Savers is, I'm sure it's the same way with other companies. If you order one thing, they charge you a minimum of like $8 or something like that for shipping and handling. So I don't want to order a $9 click for this clock. It hasn't worked in 20 plus years, and it can sit around for a couple more months until I need to order something. But hope you all are liking this video. God bless.